Supreme Court will be hearing a PIL that is on the order of snooping and issues notice to the centre to file a reply within 6 weeks. Let's go across to my colleague Vaidyanathan joining us from Supreme Court. Vaidya, it's over to you for the details.
Now the Supreme Court will examine whether the centre's order on snooping or crackdown, whatever you may call, is it legally valid or not. The court is set to examine. I am joined by Shreya Singhal, young advocate, who is one of the petitioners. Why did you come to Supreme Court? What are the reasons?
So our main reason is that it is this the section 69 as well as the orders passed under it are violative of our rights to privacy as well as freedom of speech, including and Article 14. And we have stated in our petition that this draconian law and the use of it in such a manner where it is a broad and wide sweep is violative of our rights.
So you wanted to stay also on this?
Yes, we've also filed an application for stay in the interim. Notice has been issued on that as well.
So what is the outcome? Within 6 weeks?
Within 6 weeks, the centre and the respondents are to reply and the matter will come up after that.
So you mean to say this MHA's snooping order given to 10 agencies, is it the violative of which are the orders, recent Supreme Court judgments? Can you explain a little bit?
We have cited Puttaswamy as well as being violative of
other judgment.
Privacy, that it is violative of our right to privacy because it is not only and our right and the right to self-incrimination. It cannot be that it is for and any other offence. Those are the exact words used in section 69. We have challenged those. Our challenge is on that it has to be, should this be required, it needs to be a reasoned order. It cannot be that 10 agencies are given these wide sweeping powers and they can do whatever they want to during that time, which includes monitoring and decryption of information stored on your devices. And I say devices, not just a computer, but a phone as well, anything connected to the internet. Okay. And it is not only a WhatsApp message or an email, it can also be a WhatsApp call or a Skype call. Any kind of communication, written, oral, verbal, video, all of that is what they have the power as of now to monitor and decrypt.
Thank you. So that was Shreya Singhal. Basically, the court will examine whether it invades into citizens' privacy, whether there will be a stay or not. That will be known after 6 weeks when the Supreme Court takes up the case after getting its reply from the Ministry of Home Affairs. Back to you to the studios.